tabwate goten nobo chumbe lakini Nyakiogiro I will lead that polling station ninche ngocha gutangana this particular election team naro siri ororo nega sina koriro buna bono skuru Nyakiogiro the administration blocks both primary and secondary we are changing that place classrooms for the primary school pare eri gotira igechi ko sokoro boti. Those are things that I'm doing and I have a very good team there and I promise you I'll lead from that polling station. Orio sokire kurwaroro ogotena chikura kurwa no monto bwetu obo MCA so monto bweru obo MCA that raisi uchago compete asobo chumbe a candidate tobwata formidable candidate from Nyatieko abantu babomba bamanyete orio korache gesaga is a formidable candidate oyonde ni ne project hetomire lakini nerenko igago chaba no are for 2-3 months amanya korwa.
When is Matiang'i coming to declare his candidature again?
Aya umheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i ngochare this month to Kenya naende tali na igago cha declare kwirende a candidature. Matiang'i gago cha gukora 1 or 2 meetings here and there to be able to reach out to his networks. Obwente kumanya buna Matiang'i was the minister for interior. Igona abwate chi regional commissioners are gukorana chigasi agocha go activate. Na abwate county commissioners are gukorana bwegasi buna babona tembea agocha ko reactivate. Chi DCC are gukorana chigasi chi chief chi assistant chief noroche network ye use very rich. Number 2 chi CS nchira are gukorana chigasi go chakera babo musheru babo munya bali barenga na bwe cabinet. These are networks is coming to reactivate. Number 3 ngo chare go set up a secretariat no embono no obistoko toko set up somewhere in Karen ijue go chagotware secretariat ekokore campaign ya His Excellency Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Again tokende he will be declaring his candidature at a later stage, but he is running, of course he's running for president. He is strategic, that is reckless. President His Excellency Matiang'i is just being strategic. Naende again tonkerege go tebase laws of power. Too much circulation spoils the price. Do you understand? Neno mwiseko muya igakwibisa igakupera nyomba osoka limo ikokogendesa batu kusemisa. Nari abantu bakumotonera mono no igwete umuntu kwetana no kumono naende gocha gwasaria ligori.
Okay.
Egento gegwatana ni umono eligori eligocha lyakoraki lyasareka. So Matiang'i is coming to declare his candidature. He's coming to reactivate his networks, which we are already working on. Naende ntaetengo tebiga mokora Matiang'i bune candidate yaba kusi. Matiang'i is a candidate of the people of Kenya. Nababa demanding for his candidature. We are just part of the people that are pushing this agenda.
Evanson Muturi